Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. In the previous videos of Linux, I told you to I have told you the Ubuntu software, right? So today in this video, we will learn how to install the software and what are the requirements which we require while installing the Ubuntu. So let us get into the video. So first of all, we required a VM VirtualBox. VM VirtualBox. Here we are having Oracle VM VirtualBox. So in this VirtualBox, we will run the Ubuntu software. So we will run the Ubuntu software. So for running the Ubuntu software, we have to get the Oracle VM VirtualBox. So let me install this thing. So when you open VirtualBox, you can see this interface where you get all the details, and you will get the details of the latest version, April 16, 2024, VirtualBox 7.0.16 release. So you can choose this one, the like the most recent one, or otherwise you can get the download VirtualBox 7.7. If you click on this, you will get the VirtualBox. Let us click on this thing. So after clicking on this thing, you will get the download VirtualBox and you will get the VirtualBox 1.0.16 platform packages. Or you can, so when you click this button, and you will get the all the different types of operating system like Windows, Mac, Linux, Solaris hosts, SRS1 IPS host. So based upon your Windows, like based upon your requirement, you can choose the software. So mine is Windows, so I'm choosing Windows. So this file already exists in a download list. You may choose one of the following options or plus to script the comments. So I have already installed this VirtualBox. So I don't need to install again, right? So if you don't have that VirtualBox, you can install it. So if you click this, if I choose if existing file is completed and shown down from installing box. So I have downloaded the VirtualBox. So it is not necessary to install again the VirtualBox. So like you don't have the VirtualBox, right? So you have to install the VirtualBox. So while you are clicking this download button, you'll get OK. You will not get this type of pop-up. So you will get another pop-up. So where they ask to download the software, you have to simply press OK. Then the software will be installed. Then the software will be installed. So this is the VirtualBox, and you have to install Ubuntu iOS, right? Ubuntu iOS, Ubuntu. So click on this thing. So Ubuntu download. See. So you see here, get Ubuntu. Click on this. If you click on this, you'll having the download 2.04 LTS. So if you click on this, we will download the Ubuntu operating system. So click on this. So the software will be downloaded. But I have already downloaded the Ubuntu software. So it is not required to download it again. So, and you will get the other pop-up to download it. And please download it. And after downloading, open that folder where you downloaded it. So it will ask to open folder. So it always stored in the download options only. You can check in the download options. There you can find both the Oracle VM VirtualBox and the Ubuntu iOS software. Sorry, OS software operating system. So there you can get the software. So we have installed both Oracle and Ubuntu, which means I have installed. That's why I'm not downloaded it again. So that's it. So we have installed both these things, and Now open. Now open downloads. See here, we are having the Ubuntu software. So after downloading it, you will having size of 4.67 GB. So you have to install it, this OS with size of 4.67 GB, and you have to install the VirtualBox also. So those softwares you will be installed in the programs. So this is a program, right? So it will be stored in the programs files only. So we have installed Ubuntu and this thing. And now you have to open the VirtualBox. Now you have to open the VirtualBox. Search VirtualBox. See here, I have already used VirtualBox, so that's why it is presenting. It is present here. So if you don't search here, you can search here Oracle. So you can get the Oracle VM VirtualBox. So I have created something like this. Have a personal thing. So you can also create your personal OS. I have two OSs, Ubuntu 20.04 and Advanced Arc, another OS. So you can add new here. So you can put a YouTube example. So we'll be having so much of, you can name anything. After doing it, you can select the ISO image. So you can go here. So you have installed the Ubuntu software, right? This thing. So you have to click here. That's it. So the virtual vision will be installed, and put the skip unattended installation. So if you do it manually, see here, you have selected skip unattended guest OS install. The guest OS will be need to be installed manually. So you have to install it all the things manually. So if you do the things manually, you can get all the things, like you can learn. So after doing it, do next. And after that, you can modify virtual machine hardware by changing amount of RAM and virtual CPU count. So you can adjust the memory settings. Whichever memory second you want, you can do it. And you can adjust the CPU also. See here, you can adjust process also. So because of it's an example, right? So that's why I'm not taking the enough MB. So actually you have to take 8192 MB for this thing. So for this is an example. So that's why I'm taking only 4 MB. So I'm taking only one CPU. And next. And if you wish, you can add a virtual hard disk to the new machine. You can either create a new hard disk file or select an existing one. Alternatively, you can create a virtual machine without a virtual hard disk. So you can also increase the virtual hard disk size here. So you can having 40 to 50 50 GB, you can put it. So because if it is an example, I'm choosing the less 5, 6. I'll take 11 MB and I will do next. So the following table summarizes the configuration you have chosen for the new virtual machine. When you are happy with the configuration, press finish to create the virtual machine. Alternatively, you can go back and modify the configuration. So you'll get the machine name, OS type, hardware, disk. So you will having all the features. You will having the general name, YouTube example, operating system Ubuntu 64-bit, base memory 4 GB, floppy optical hard disk, acceleration nested paging KVM, pair virtualization, and video memory 60 MB, and graphic control BMS, BGA, remote desktop server disabled, recording disabled, and storage. So all these things will be there. So storage, audio, network, USB, shared folder description. You'll find all the general settings. So you can go to you should go to the settings, and you have to do some general settings. Go to advanced description, and so general is leave general as I like it, and go to system and Here, you can increase the motherboard size to up to 8,000. So you have to do it 8,000. So based upon the size. See here, if I cross 5,000, the OK is gone right here. See, so it is saying you're crossing the memory size. You're crossing the memory size. So you have to choose based upon the memory size. See, if I cross memory size, the OK button will be gone. See here. So you have to choose according to the memory size. So leave floppy optical hard disk as like it, and choose the less memory, 124 MB or 2000 MB, something like that. So I will click, and after the processor, you can use different types of processors. You can use 4 CPUs. If you're using more CPUs, can like you can run the programs fastly in your system, and you can choose 4 CPUs. Or is an example, I'm choosing 1 CPU, and execution cap and acceleration. And acceleration you can leave like that only, and press OK. And you'll have the display. You can modify the video memory, like you can increase and decrease, and you can increase the monitor count, scale factor, graphics. So you will having VBox, VGA, VMS, VGA, VBox, SVGA. You can choose graphic controllers. So I'm leaving as it is, VMS, VGA, and remote display and recording. So leave as like it, and we are having Ubuntu. So in the first time, I have chosen the Ubuntu software iOS downloaded file, right? So here, if you don't choose at that time, like we have chosen the file right from our computer. So if you don't choose, you can choose here also. So you can choose by clicking here, you can choose here also. So, and we have already chosen the thing, so that's why the option is not coming here. So here also we can choose the download iOS file and install into it. I hope you understand. So earlier we have taken that file, right? So that's why it is showing here. If you don't take it, it show empty. And we are having audio, network, serial post, USB, shade, interface, and all the things will be same. So these are the general settings, and press OK. And after that, press start. So you will having see here, you will be having try or install Ubuntu and Ubuntu Safe Graphics, OEM install for manufacturers, text memory, and all these things will be there. And here the mouse will not work, so you have to work with keyboard only. So you can use key arrows, downward key arrow, upward arrow. So using the upward arrow, please choose the first one, try or install Ubuntu. So here the Ubuntu will be installed. So it will take time. So the software is working. So we are trying to install it. So after opening the window, will be having this type of window. So you will be having the language options here. So different languages. We know English, right? So we are choosing English, and we have to click install Ubuntu. And after that, we'll be having English, and here we are having keyboard. So what kind of keyboard you want? English or anything? English, US or English? UK. So we are following English US. So the keyword will be in the English US. And after that, continue. And you need at least a 14.8 GB disk space to install Ubuntu. So you will be having at least of 14.8 GB disk space to install Ubuntu in your space. So, so we have to take at least 14.8 GB. So we have taken 11.9 MB, right? So let me take the 14.8 GB. Let me quit it. So I'm again going back and I'm taking. I've taken. So why to take this example? Storage we have taken, the audio, network, serial ports, and display. So I'm creating again the example. Now I will choose 8 MB and processor of one CPU, and next, and I will take processor GB of 30, and next. So we have taken YouTube. So after that, we have to go to settings and the system. We have taken something 8,000 MB and processor and CPU. Let us run this program. Let us see what will happen. So let us run this my program. Like I have created this Iron Man star, right? Let us run this only. So we have to give some specific requirements to do it. I don't have the enough space in my system, so that's why it's not working. So let us run my software only. Let us see what will happen. The software will be installed. So VirtualBox is installed, and you will be having my name, and you will be having some password. So you will be having this Ubuntu software. So before that, you will be having some options. So before that, you will be having some options. So let us see the Ubuntu installation process using the virtual box. So you'll be having, see here, step 3, we have given, so we have given the name, right? So we have learned, we have given the name. And after that, we have to choose arrange assign a RAM size to the virtual machine based upon the memory size, and create a virtual hard disk for the machine to store files. So after that, you will be having the virtual hard disk. You will get this option, the hard disk option. So let me go into the first point. So we have installed this option.